Good morning, my lovely children. How are you all today? I hope you all are doing well. Right, children? Welcome back to English class. Now, children, quickly get with your English notebook, sharpen pencil, and your eraser. Okay, children? Now, children, you have to tell your mother to write the content in this manner. Okay? Match the capital with small alphabet. Okay, and on the one line, okay children, capital letters will come. Okay, and on the second line small letters will come. Okay children, आपको आपके मम्मी को बोलना है ऐसी सेम पैटर्न में आपके नोटबुक में ये लिख कर देने को. Okay, now children, you all know to match the capital with small alphabet, right? आपको सबको पता है ना कि कैपिटल लेटर्स को स्मॉल लेटर के साथ आपको मैच करना है. Okay, now children, which is this letter, which is this letter, which is the first letter? Yes, there you are. It is capital O. Okay, so now children, you have to match capital O with small o. Okay, so you will draw line from capital O to small o like this. Okay, फिर उसके बाद जो next letter क्या है? Yes, very good children. The next letter is capital T. So you all have to match. Okay children, you have to match capital T with small t. Okay, so now children, you have to draw line from capital T to small t like this. Okay, अब T के बाद कौन सा लेटर लिखा है? Yes, it is capital R. Okay, so you have to draw capital R. Okay, you have to draw line from capital R to small r. Okay, you will match capital R with small r. Okay, by drawing the line. Okay, from capital R to small r. Okay children, so now children, you have to match capital V with small v like this. Okay, now children, our next letter is capital E. So you have to match capital E with small e like this. Okay, next letter is capital D. Okay, you have to draw line from capital D to small d because you have to match capital D with small d. Right children, आपको समझ में आ रहा है ना? Very good. Now children, our last letter is capital K. So you have to draw line from capital K to small k because you have to match capital K with small k. Right children? Very good. तो आपको ये ध्यान रखना है जब आप लाइन ड्रॉ करते हो तो आपका जो लाइन है वो लेटर्स को टच होना चाहिए. ओके, whenever you are drawing the line to match, okay, your line should touch both the letters. Okay, capital as well as स्मॉल. ओके, जब भी आप लाइन ड्रॉ करते हो मैच करने के लिए आपका जो लाइन है वो कैपिटल लेटर्स को भी टच होना चाहिए और स्मॉल लेटर्स को भी टच होना चाहिए. ओके, ये आपका मॉडल पेपर है. ओके, यही सेम पैटर्न में आपके एग्जाम में आएगा पर लेटर्स डिफरेंट आएगा. ओके, लेटर्स विल बी चेंज. Okay children, so you have to practice match the capital with small alphabet. Okay, and get ready for your English exam. Okay, then children, you have to write small a to z. Okay, so now children, you have to write small a to z. Okay, so on the first line which letter will come? Which four letters will come? Small a. You have to leave some gap. Okay, then write small b, leave some gap and write small c, leave some gap and write small d. Okay, you have to write 4 letters on one line. Okay children, आपका जो 4 letters to one line में 4 letters ही आएगा. 4 letters से आप ज़्यादा letter लिखते हो तो वो रॉन्ग होगा पैटर्न. ओके, जैसा टीचर ने सिखाया है आपको वैसा ही लिखना है. ओके, नेक्स्ट लेटर आपको नीचे नीचे लिखते जाना है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आफ्टर स्मॉल डी विच लेटर विल कम? स्मॉल ई. सो यू हैव टू राइट स्मॉल ई बिलो स्मॉल ए like this. Okay, next letter is small f. So you have to write small f below small b. Then small g you will write below small c. Next letter is small h. So you have to write small h below small d. Okay. So now children, small I, small j, small k, small l. आपको नीचे नीचे लिखते जाना है. Okay. Now children, our next letter is small m. So you will write below small I, small n, you will write below small j, small o, you will write below small k, then small p, small q, small r. ओके जब आप स्मॉल आर लिखते हो, जो स्मॉल आर का जो कर्व है वो ना फर्स्ट ब्लू लाइन को टच होगा ना सेकंड ब्लू लाइन को टच होगा, वो मिड में रहेगा, मिडिल में रहेगा. ओके. देन चिल्ड्रन स्मॉल एस, स्मॉल टी, स्मॉल यू, स्मॉल वी, स्मॉल डब्ल्यू, स्मॉल एक्स, small y, and the last letter is small z. Okay, after writing small z, you all have to put full stop. Okay, because small z is the last letter. Okay, so keep this in your mind. Okay children, after writing small z तो आपको क्या करना है, full stop डालना है, आपको भूलना नहीं है. Okay children, because स्मॉल z जो है वो लास्ट लेटर है. ओके. सो नाउ चिल्ड्रन, यू हैव टू प्रैक्टिस मैच द कैपिटल with small alphabet. Okay. Then you have to practice to write small a to z. Okay. And get ready for your English written exam. Okay children. All the best children. Do your best. Okay children. Bye.